Introducing the 2025 Skoda Fabia SEL 1.0 TSI, with all the bells and whistles you could possibly want in a hatchback. This sleek grey beauty is powered by a 115 horsepower engine and equipped with an automatic transmission for a smooth ride every time. Step inside and experience the ultimate comfort and convenience with features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and a multifunction display. Feel safe and secure on the road with ABS, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and more. Plus, stand out from the crowd with a stylish spoiler and luxurious trim. Rest assured, knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a top-of-the-line Skoda Fabia. Call us today or visit our website at spiritskoda.ie to learn more about this fantastic vehicle. Drive away in style and confidence with the 2025 Skoda Fabia SEL 1.0 TSI.